Hey guys, today we're taking apart an HP Officejet 100 mobile printer. Just wanted to show you how to get inside of this printer. It's going to be a little bit confusing at first, but it's very simple. We're going to use a T8 size 8 torque screw for the screws that we need to remove, and we'll just get right to it. In order to, the reason that you would want to do this is probably just for cleaning or replacing a certain part. So there's two screws over here, two black screws after you open the cover here. And then the rest of the screws are going to be on the bottom. They're hidden under these stickers right here. So we're going to remove those, just using a blade for that. Or you can use, anything thin at the point, just to remove the stickers. So and that's where our screws are, in here under this one. Okay, so we removed, there's a sticker right here, there, and there, okay? And then we're going to remove the screws. Now we're going to flip the printer over, and we can lift this part up. You can also just get a flathead screwdriver and just go around the printer and kind of push it out of. Some clips right here. Actually, before we do that, let's remove more screws over here. This is the control panel over here that we just need to lift up. You can use a screwdriver to help you with this. It just needs to be lifted up there. I believe those screws might be holding more. Then we're going to lift these covers here, the buttons, and we have a few screws that we need to remove. So there's two right here. I'm not sure if that's holding anything down, but last time when I was removing it, I had these unscrewed. So now this board just moves freely, and I thought it was holding that, but let's see. Sometimes we just need to remove more screws. Let's remove the back tray. I'm just gonna press it in the middle and move it to one side and remove that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just put a screwdriver in there like that and just lift it up. Do the same thing on this side. Okay, so these are the clips you can always go in there and kind of unclip it, but just pushing it with a screwdriver this over here should release it like it did. It's a bit of a struggle, but it's doable. And that's where the printer sits, inside of this case here. Before we take it out of the picture, let's remove this thing. So this is the cover. Just gonna press it down when it's open and it just comes out, and we'll just slide this side out, and these are just clipped in. So that's how this lip comes out. Now this is the bottom of the printer. We have access to the board over here, and I'm just going to disconnect it, and we're going to remove this cover here. So we're just going to pull this back. So you just move the plastic clamps back, and that releases the cord. It's pretty much on all the connections that we see with the flat cord here. So it's constructed very well. When you put the cords back in, make sure you slide these things in, the plastic pieces. So So this is our pretty big formatter board for a small printer, but it's a very well built printer, and anything that was built after it or before it is pretty good too. So this is our main logic board here. We already removed the absorber pad. The motor is on this side. We're going to remove more screws here in order to get the top cover off. So there's a screw right there, right here, a couple on this side, So now we can remove the top cover here. Gonna disconnect this control panel with the LED lights and the buttons. Just lift it up. We already took the screws off of it. So, and then the buttons, they just pull out one by one. And we can remove the top plastic cover. So this is the inside of the printer. This just came out of somewhere here, but honestly I don't know where it goes. I assume it's somewhere near the ink pad absorber. But anyway, this is pretty much inside of the printer. This is where your paper goes, and that's how you get inside. If you want to avoid the control panel, so what you do is take the 2 screws off here, and then also this is your access to the pickup rollers. That's one more part that we're going to take off, and then the timing strip. So those are the 2 parts probably that you need to open. So we need to pull this up, pull this latch up right here. So we have that one out of its area, and then we're going to pull it up. Slide it this way a little bit, and it comes out our pickup roller. So that could be easily replaced. Or just cleaning it should usually do the trick if your paper is not picking it up, is being picked up. And timing strip is this strip over here. Just gonna pull it to the right, get it out of that hook, and remove it here from the spring. And this is a tiny timing encoder strip. So that's pretty much as far as we'll go. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and enjoy your day. Thank you.